Can we able to create Telegram with email? Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you if there is a way to create Telegram account with email. So let's get started. First, as I want to inform you that there is no any such official way to create Telegram account without phone number. At least you'll have to provide your phone number to create your account. Simply for that, open Telegram. After that, you'll have to confirm with your region code and enter your mobile phone number. After that, tap on continue and confirm the verification code. After you verify that, you can simply add your email account too. From there, you will be able to create or set up for the two-step verification for your email. In that case, you can use your email account, but there is no any such official method to use email account to create Telegram account. And that's it. This is the informative video. If you found this helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.